You won't believe how easy and delicious this potato salad recipe is. Let's get right into it. For our recipe, we'll need 6 potatoes. Peel them the way I'm doing it here. Next, cut the potatoes into cubes. Place the potatoes in a pot and add hot water until they're fully covered. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. Let it cook for 12 minutes. Drain the water from the potatoes and transfer them to a bowl of your choice. Set them aside for now. In a blender, add 17 ounces of mayo, 3 boiled eggs, chopped into pieces, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a cup of milk to make it easier to blend everything together. Blend well for 3 minutes until it's creamy. I'd love to know which country you're watching from, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Now, pour this delicious creamy mixture over the potatoes. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Mix the cream thoroughly with the potatoes. Let it chill in the fridge for 1 hour. Look at how amazing this potato salad with seasoned mayo turned out. It's super refreshing, creamy, and delicious. It pairs perfectly with chicken, beef, and rice. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in our next recipe. Enjoy.